In this video, we're going to talk about how you can do Uber Eats deliveries on a scooter. So here's what we want to do. I'll just open up my web browser and I'll search for Uber Eats scooter. We want to open up this first link that pops up. Sign up to deliver on Uber Eats with a scooter. So here we can see the requirements. So to sign up to deliver with a scooter, we will need to enter our name, social security number, driver's license information, birth date, as well as our vehicle information here, and we will proceed with the rest in a bit. And you can see a summary here of the eligibility requirements. At least 19 years old, have a motorized scooter or moped under 50cc. We need to have a valid driver's license, scooter registration and vehicle insurance. And when signing up, to make sure to choose deliver with a scooter under the transportation methods. And here we can also see the rest of the requirements for the registration. Now, once you have verified all this information, and if you fit the criteria, we will click on sign up to deliver here. Then you will choose again sign up to deliver, and here it's going to ask you to create your account. I've already created an account, so it has directly taken me to this section here. So you will need to review the agreements here and the delivery partner onboarding process. These are very simple. You just gotta agree to them. That's why I have already completed them. Next, you will need to supply your identification document. So if I click on here, I need to take a photo of my ID or driver's license or any of the other available documents. Then we have to add a profile photo, as you can see. Then we gotta supply them with a bank statement and appropriate equipment for food transportation. This basically means a thermal bag. And then the last step, which is going to take a few days, is the background check process. So here, if we do a background check, and it's going to take a few days for them to review, just so they see that we don't have any criminal charges or any pending charges. And afterwards, if you get accepted, you will get a message that you can start delivering Uber Eats with a scooter, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.